Ever wondered what potassium is and why it's so important for our body? Well, let's dive right in. Potassium, symbol K, is a mineral that occupies the 19th spot on the periodic table. It's one of those elements that is classified as an electrolyte. And no, it's not something only found in your favorite sports drink. Potassium is a vital part of our bodies. Imagine it as the silent operator, working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. It plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, ensuring that the water inside and outside your cells is just right. But it doesn't stop there. Potassium is also the maestro conducting the symphony of nerve signals and muscle contractions. It ensures that your heart beats rhythmically, your muscles contract properly, and your nerves respond swiftly. So now we know what potassium is and why our bodies need it. But where does it come from? You may ask yourself, where does this essential mineral come from? Well, let's dive right into it. Potassium is naturally abundant in the Earth's crust. This mineral seeps into our food chain as plants absorb it from the soil, and it's these potassium-rich plants that become a part of our diets. But it's not just plants that are potassium powerhouses. Many animals, having feasted on these plants, also become rich sources of potassium. So, whether you're a carnivore, herbivore, or somewhere in between, there's a wealth of potassium out there for you. Now, while our bodies are pretty good at maintaining the balance of potassium, sometimes we might need a little extra help. Stay tuned to know about the top 10 foods that are high in potassium. But before we continue, if you are enjoying the content so far, hit the like button. Sodium and potassium work in tandem in our bodies, but how, you may wonder? Well, these two minerals are like dance partners in the grand performance that is our body's fluid balance. Sodium draws water and nutrients into our cells, while potassium helps to flush out the excess waste and water. This delicate balancing act is essential for maintaining blood pressure, transmitting nerve impulses, and muscle contractions. However, when we consume a diet high in sodium, often found in processed foods, this can upset the balance. Sodium can start to hog the limelight, causing water retention and increasing blood pressure. This imbalance can lead to a deficiency in potassium, as the body struggles to rid itself of the excess sodium and water. In essence, too much sodium can overshadow potassium's role, causing an imbalance that affects our overall health. It's clear that maintaining a balance between potassium and sodium is crucial for our health. What happens if we have too little or too much potassium in our bodies? This is a vital question, as both scenarios pose health risks. If our bodies lack sufficient potassium, we may experience hypokalemia. Symptoms can include muscle weakness, cramps, fatigue, and in severe cases, abnormal heart rhythms. Over time, chronic potassium deficiency can lead to issues like high blood pressure and kidney stones. On the other hand, an excess of potassium or hyperkalemia can be equally dangerous. Early signs often remain unnoticed, but as levels rise, one might experience palpitations, shortness of breath, chest pain, or even sudden collapse. Hyperkalemia can lead to life-threatening heart rhythm disturbances or cardiac arrest. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that by maintaining a balanced diet, we can generally keep our potassium levels in check. So it's crucial to keep our potassium levels balanced. Let's explore the top foods that can help us do that. Looking to boost your potassium intake? Here are 10 foods that can help. Let's start with bananas, a well-known potassium powerhouse. Next up we have sweet potatoes, a delicious and versatile option. Don't forget about spinach, which packs a punch both in flavor and potassium content. Avocados too are a great source of this essential mineral. For those with a sweet tooth, prunes and oranges can be your potassium allies. In the sea of proteins, salmon and yogurt stand out with their high potassium content. And let's not forget about the humble white beans. They're not only affordable, but also rich in potassium. Lastly, we have beet greens, a less common but equally potent source of potassium. Adding these foods to your diet can help ensure you're getting enough potassium. Remember, a healthy diet is the best way to maintain your potassium levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.